How to buy ARK, the ARK AI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. This token is available on the screener, as you can see. This token it's by have the market cap by $4 million, and as you can see the liquidity is 98% are locked. That means your investment in the safe place. This token is under Ethereum network. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your Biscuit wallet. Go to your wallet. Now here select the Ethereum as a network and click on this plus icon and paste the token address from here. After that, as you can see, click on this warning and make sure to read all of that. If you are ready to go, just click on confirm and click on plus. After that, go back to your wallet. Now find your token for here. As you can see, this is it. Click on it and click on swap and switch here to be able to buy it. Now here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you want, you will receive of that token. Now, after that, it's simple. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy ARK token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.